If you suffer from dry skin like we do, this DIY winter skin scrub will save you this season. First, start by gathering all of your materials and your ingredients. The stars of the show here are Epsom salt, jojoba oil, and essential oils. We are so very excited to introduce you to our brand new jojoba carrier oil, which is really the key ingredient here. Anytime you're making any kind of skin scrub, massage oil, anything that will be applied onto your actual skin, you will need to mix your essential oils with a carrier oil. Stir them together really well. This creates a calming yet uplifting aroma. Add it to your salts and start to stir, and watch as this luxurious scrub comes together before your very eyes. Add it to your jar of choice, cap, and we like to add a little label just to remind us what this blend is all about. This winter skin scrub should live in your bathroom, on your sink, and you should use it every chance you get. Scrub onto your skin, wash off, and reveal the smoothest, silkiest, most moisturized winter skin ever.